Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix error code 43 when a USB device is not recognized in Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, disconnect the USB device from your computer. After that, restart your PC. This clears temporary system issues that can block USB devices. Once Windows has fully loaded, plug the USB device back in. Try a different USB port this time. If the device is still not working, the next step is to reinstall the USB driver. Press the Windows key and type Device Manager, then open it. Find the section called Universal Serial Bus Controllers and expand it. Look for a device with a warning icon or a name like Unknown USB Device. Right-click on that device and choose Uninstall Device. Confirm the action fast. Close Device Manager and restart your computer. When Windows starts again, it will automatically reinstall the correct USB driver. Now, we will adjust a power setting that can cause this problem. Open the control panel, click on View By, and select Large Icons. Go to Power Options. Next to your active power plan, click Change Plan Settings. Then, click Change Advanced Power Settings. In the new window, find USB Settings and expand it. Open the USB Selective Suspend setting. Set to Disabled. Click Apply, and then OK. Restart your PC one more time and test the USB device again. In most cases, this fixes error code 43 and restores normal USB function. Thanks for watching.